welcome back to my channel. My name is Eloho and I'm a natural hair blogger based in UK, United Kingdom. And today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make this beautiful hair accessory. It's called a scrunchie hairband and I love it so much. It's summertime, it's time to bring out the color, all the color of the rainbows, and I'm going to show you how to make it really easy, under 30 minutes and 1 hour you've done it, and it's so beautiful. It's a statement headband. Actually, you don't need a lot, just this and you're good to go. Party, church, whatever events you plan on going to, you can actually rock this. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. So let's get into the tutorial. So the length of your main fabric totally depends on how ruffled you want your hairband to be, and also the width also depends on how high and low you want it to be. So guys, you can actually adjust this measurement any way you want it to be. Okay guys, so I measured it and cut it before making the video because I don't want the video to be too long. Like I said, it's a very fast and easy tutorial. So now what I'm going to do is to turn the shiny parts together. You can either pin it at this moment so that you don't lose any of the part, but I'm just going to go ahead and sew it. So what you want to do is to sew a straight line joining both ends together, the shiny part, and that's all you have to do for the main fabric. So after turning it guys, the next step is to turn the fabric inside out. So I'm using a bobby pin to turn it inside out. If you have a pen, you can equally use a pen. Whatever you have handy, you can just use it to turn it inside out. It's quite long, so it took me a while to turn it inside out. So after you've done that, you can see that the shiny part that's outside is looking so colorful. I really love this green color that I've chosen. It's really chic. So now you're going to put this middle piece inside the casing, the long one. So again, I'll be using my bobby pin to insert it inside the casing, and also you have to make sure that your bobby pin is the right one, it's not broken, so that you don't lose the fabric. So now what I'm doing is just inserting it inside. To be very careful when you are inserting it inside. It's a very long piece, the first one. So what I'm doing now is to pin the end of the small one so that I don't lose it in between, and it's very necessary because the fabric that I'm inserting it inside is more than 3 times longer than it. So make sure that you attach it with a pin so that you don't lose it. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm going to continue. Guys, when you get to the opposite end, as you're removing the bobby pin, use a needle or a pin to secure that end, guys. It's gonna be such a waste that you've gotten to this end and you lose it again. So just quickly secure the end again and sew it down immediately. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. So guys, after you succeeded in sewing one end, you're going to just do the same thing to the other end as well. So make sure you sew it down. Guys, you're almost done with the project. You're halfway done. So you can see that you have a couple of ruffles. That's what you're trying to achieve, ruffles. So now I'm going to be sewing the fabric where I want the elastic to be in. just as you did with the first fabric, you're going to turn this particular fabric inside out so that you can insert your plastic in it. Turn the fabric inside out. It's time for me to attach the elastic inside. So this is my elastic and I'm going to put it inside with a bobby pin as well, and make sure you secure it the way you did the first fabric. You've done the elastic part and the front parts. It's time to join both parts together. So I'm just trying to see if this elastic is really working, and it is. So it's now time to join it together. So you're going to add the front and the back together, and what you're going to do is to ensure that you cover up, you fold it the bigger side to cover up the elastic side. In this way, it's going to make it have like a beautiful finishing. Make sure you secure the fold as well so that you don't lose it, and now you're going to sew it down. Have to do is to do the same thing for the other side. So the same thing you did for the first side, you're going to do it for the other side. So I'm just showing it from the opposite end. Just fold it in like so and sew it up. It, guys, so simple. You've succeeded in making your own crunches. So that's it. So you see, when I turn it in the back to the front, you can see the closing. It looks so nice. It's not rough at all. So that's what you are trying to achieve. It's so beautiful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you share, like and comment down below if you love to see more accessory videos. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.